What's the meaning of au naturel? Au naturel. Au naturel.
Au naturel. Au naturel. Au naturel is a French term that means, in the natural state. When used in English, it refers to something that is unadorned or unprocessed, specifically in reference to food or appearance. In terms of food, it usually means that the ingredients are fresh and uncooked, and there are no added preservatives or flavorings. When describing appearance, it means that someone is not wearing any makeup or is in their natural state without any enhancements or alterations. Overall, au naturel emphasizes simplicity and authenticity.